In the mist-covered mountains of wisdom, there lived a venerable monk named Kaito. His days were like pages in an ancient book, each one filled with the serene brushstrokes of contemplation and the ink of mindfulness. One day, as the cherry blossoms painted the landscape in hues of pink, a traveler named Hiroshi ascended the winding path to Kaito's monastery. Hiroshi, burdened by the weight of a hurried mind and the clamor of a bustling world, sought solace in the teachings of the wise monk. As he approached, Kaito welcomed him with a gentle smile, as if he had been awaiting this meeting for eons. "Welcome, weary traveler," Kaito spoke, his voice a gentle breeze that rustled the leaves of the ancient trees. "In the garden of the present moment, we shall explore the blossoms of tranquility and the whispers of the ever-present now." In the days that followed, Hiroshi became a student of Kaito, embarking on a journey that transcended the boundaries of time. Kaito, with the patience of 1,000 monks, began to unravel the tapestry of the mind for Hiroshi. They sat in the quietude of the meditation hall, where the only sound was the symphony of breath and the soft murmur of the mountain breeze. "Close your eyes, Hiroshi," Kaito instructed. "Breathe in the essence of this moment. Let the past drift away like leaves on a stream, and the future remain as uncharted as the clouds in the sky. Here, in the now, lies the power to transform." Hiroshi, guided by Kaito's words, felt the currents of his thoughts gradually subside. The incessant chatter of yesterday's concerns and tomorrow's worries faded like distant echoes. In the canvas of stillness, he discovered a profound truth: the power of now. As the days turned into weeks, Kaito introduced Hiroshi to the teachings of cutting-edge psychology, a bridge between ancient wisdom and contemporary understanding. They explored the corridors of the mind, where neurons fired like twinkling stars in the cosmic dance of consciousness. In one lesson, Kaito spoke of mindfulness, a practice that held the key to unlocking the door to the present. To be mindful is to dance with each moment as if it were the only partner in the grand ball of existence, he explained. Hiroshi, like a novice dancer, stumbled at first, but gradually found his rhythm. In another discourse, Kaito unraveled the mysteries of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself. Just as a river shapes the land it flows through, your thoughts sculpt the landscape of your mind. Choose your thoughts wisely, for they carve the path of your destiny. With each passing day, Hiroshi's mind became a canvas where the brushstrokes of mindfulness blended seamlessly with the colors of psychological insights. He learned to surf the waves of his emotions, riding them with grace rather than being engulfed by their tumultuous currents. One evening, as the sun dipped behind the mountains, Kaito and Hiroshi sat on a cliff overlooking the valley. The air was pregnant with the fragrance of pine, and the distant song of a nightingale echoed through the stillness. "Master Kaito," Hiroshi spoke, gratitude welling in his heart like a spring that had been touched by the first rays of dawn. "In the tapestry of your teachings, I have found a thread that connects the ancient wisdom of Buddhism with the cutting-edge revelations of psychology. The power of now has become the compass guiding my journey." Kaito nodded, his eyes reflecting the wisdom of ages. The power of now is not a destination, but a journey. It is the river that flows through the valleys of your existence, nourishing the roots of your being. As you walk the path of mindfulness, remember that each step is a destination in itself. And so, Hiroshi descended from the mist-covered mountains, carrying with him the timeless teachings of Kaito. The world remained as bustling and hurried as before, but Hiroshi had learned to navigate its currents with the quiet confidence of a sage. In the quiet corners of his mind, the power of now became a lantern, illuminating the shadows of doubt and fear. Hiroshi, now a beacon of tranquility, walked the world with the grace of one who had learned to dance with the present, embracing each moment as a gift from the universe. And thus, the tale of Hiroshi and Master Kaito echoed through the corridors of time, a story woven with the threads of mindfulness and the tapestry of the ever-present now.